Cecilia Ogwal, moved a motion for NTV to have a license. But Banyenzaki, on NRM ticket, stood firm and said private media should be protected. NTV should have a license. And it's the reason you are here, because somebody came up and put up a fight, even when he was within NRM.
Truly grateful for those that went before us and that made sure that this brand exists today and continues to exist. I will add that in the past, between October and January, the threats to close the station were many.
I would like to, first of all, take this opportunity to congratulate NTV for surviving for 20 years. We need you as NTV because you have informed the nation. And as NRM, we are not scared of you informing the what? The nation. Because that's what we want. People should be informed. People should get the alternative opinion.
No wonder I left NTV and now I lead the alternative side in Parliament. But anyhow, yeah, NTV played a great role in many things and we appreciate you, NTV.
One thing I share in common with NTV, you hit the airwaves in 2006. That's when my career as a leader in the city started in 2006. My journey is coming to an end in 2 weeks' time. Yours is just the beginning. I wish you all the best.
NTV, turning on your world.